This is Kitty. We saved her from a house of 1.5 billion cats, and she is sick, and she has fleas and ticks, and look at the little baby kitten, look at her.
She just had a bath. She really doesn't look like that.
Look at Kitty. Look at Kitty. She's so cute. Look. If you have a house that has 1.1 billion kitties, you should really call either me and Dama, because we're, expert catchers now, or the animal shelter, because these cats need a loving home where they can get lots of care all the time. Yeah. So save a cat today.